Bitcoin ETFs just changed everything, and the ripple effect could send Bitcoin to $100,000, $250,000, or even $500,000 by 2026. Wall Street, hedge funds, and trillions of dollars are finally coming into crypto. But is this the biggest bull run ever, or a trap that hands Bitcoin back to Wall Street? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in crypto right now, Bitcoin ETFs, and what they mean for the future of Bitcoin's price. For over a decade, investors have been waiting for Wall Street to embrace Bitcoin. And now, it's finally happening. With ETFs, both everyday investors and giant institutions can buy Bitcoin directly through their brokerage accounts. No private wallets, no seed phrases, no complicated exchanges, just a simple ticker symbol. This is massive because it opens the floodgates for billions, maybe even trillions, of dollars in institutional capital to pour into Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, and every 4 years, the halving cuts new supply in half. That mix of limited supply and rising demand is why many analysts believe Bitcoin could easily smash past $100,000 in the next cycle. But ETFs do more than just bring in new money. They legitimize Bitcoin in the eyes of regulators, hedge funds, and traditional investors. We're talking about BlackRock, Fidelity, and Vanguard now actively buying and holding Bitcoin for their clients. That's a huge psychological shift. Of course, with every opportunity comes risk. Some Bitcoin purists argue that ETFs centralize ownership and hand power back to Wall Street, which goes against the entire ethos of decentralization. And yes, Bitcoin will still be volatile, with 20 to 30% pullbacks along the way. But if you zoom out, the long-term trajectory looks incredibly bullish. Predictions range anywhere from $100,000 to $250,000 in the next few years, and some even say $500,000 if ETFs trigger a full-blown supply shock. Just imagine millions of investors piling in while institutions scoop up huge chunks of supply. Scarcity alone could send Bitcoin parabolic. Personally, I think Bitcoin hitting 6 figures is almost inevitable within the next 2 years, especially with the halving and ETF momentum lined up. The real question is whether this sets off the biggest bull run in Bitcoin's history. So, what do you think? Are ETFs the ultimate bullish catalyst or a threat to Bitcoin's decentralized future? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and share this video with someone who still doesn't understand why ETFs could change everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.